y'all, JP here again. Hey, we're ready to go with our next encased vase. If you missed the first one, there it is there. Go ahead and check out that video. This time we're going to go a little bit taller, a little bit more design. I've got a white vase going into some poplar. So we're going to see how that turns out. I did a little bit more in depth, so I'm going step by step in this video. Hopefully if you guys want to follow along and then try it out at home. Bear with me, it is freezing if you can see my breath. I don't know what the deal is. It's supposed to be spring on Wednesday, so take a look at the video and let me know what you think. Thanks. Alright, so I have my blocks and my paper all cut. I'm just going to go ahead and glue this paper down and I'll show you how that goes. Just clamp it together and wait for it to dry. Okay, so we're all glued up. I do go ahead and cut off the excess paper here. And it wouldn't really affect anything turning it, just a little easier to see without that flipping in your face as it's turning. And the other thing I do is just make sure to square up the ends here. Alright. Now I do take some duct tape and wrap it around the ends. I wouldn't trust it to hold that, but I do use that just in case this were to come apart. You're not going to have one of these loose boards flipping around in your lathe. There we go. We're all set to prep it to start turning. once you've got it all turned, go ahead and take the tape off. Then just take your chisel and very carefully line it up on where the paper lines are. And we're just going to separate the 4 pieces. Now if you go ahead and number them, it makes it a little easier when you're putting them back together. So all we're going to do is flip them around like this. Get a little test fit. Alright, so it's all glued together, ready to go to start our final turning. It should look something like this when you're ready to go. I did also on the ends there, you can see I flushed those off and also put a couple of cuts in there for my spur drive. Just helps to, so you're not forcing any pressure directly in the center of those 4 boards. So we'll go ahead and put this on the lathe and see how it turns out. Okay, so we're all set to go. The encased vase number 2 is done. I went with the white vase versus the clear, just so you get a little contrast there between the wood and the vase. It came out pretty decent. I hope you were able to follow along okay. If you have any questions or comments, please post them down below, and also please like and subscribe. Thanks. Alright, one more thing. I turned this on my last video. It's a little single-handed pepper mill. I'm going to turn another one of these, and to celebrate 12,000 views on the last encased vase, the one I turn next, I'm going to go ahead and give that away. What I'll do is wait till I hit 500 subscribers and then pick a name out of the hat from that. Thanks.